Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Fellow beginners, today we're diving into the realm of Jasper AI, your gateway to AI powered writing assistance. Follow along as we unravel the fundamentals, equipping you to harness the capabilities of Jasper AI for effortless content creation. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So the first thing guys that you should do is to go ahead and open your browser and search for jasper.ai. This is the URL or the domain name of the website that we are going to talk about in this video. So as you can see guys, this is the website. First of all, we will have an introduction, how it works and what does it do. So now we're going to introduce you the solutions of Jasper AI so you can understand more in details what does it do, as we said. So the solutions by use case. Now for this specific AI, it has so many solutions for teams and enterprise, so you can literally help your tech, publishing, insurance, and other businesses scale up marketing content like blog articles, social media posts, sales, emails, and more. Now, the solutions that they have integrated marketing campaigns. So you can keep your marketing campaigns aligned and on brand with AI-powered integrated marketing. They can write you blog writing, so you have blog writing made better with AI-powered writing, editing, and optimization. Copywriting, you can write copy that converts with Jasper's AI copywriting solutions. SEO, boost traffic and conversions with AI-powered content creation. Optimization and SEO-friendly integrations. Content strategy, level up your content strategy with AI-powered content, repurposing, optimization, and collaboration. Social media marketing, AI-powered social media tools to help you create captions and repurpose content at scale. And finally, email marketing. Engage your audiences and increase open rates with AI-powered email marketing. So these are the actual solutions by use case. Now they have solutions by industry. So you have AI solutions for the tech industry. They have for media and publishing. They have for insurance. They have e-commerce and retail. They have healthcare and real estate. So any domain that you might think of, they will have a solution for it. You just have to search for it in their website. Now, how we can use their platform? First of all, we have to get a demo account. So to get a demo, you simply have to actually submit your business email to them. So we are enabled to facilitate a demo in your call. Please reach out to sales@jasper.ai or start a free search to learn more about Jasper. So a demo account guys is not available as it seems in every single country. It is limited to some, and as you can see, even like let's say for example you are in a country which is eligibly to this website, well, it has a limited amount of people that can get accepted, so put that in mind. Now since we can't really get a free demo, we are going to get a free trial. So to do that, I'm going to sign in and continue with Google account, and as you can see, I'm gonna be right in the website in a few clicks. So I'm just gonna choose my account like that and click on continue, and just with few clicks I'm gonna get right through there. So there we go, and now we have created the account. So we are almost there. Now we have to complete this formula, so let's do that. So what industry does your company work in? Let's choose media. What is the size of your company? 200 and below. Workspace name, let's name it tutorials, and company URL, let's name it www.titanltd.com. and now let's go to the next step. As you can see, there we go. Now, what is your job level? I'm going to choose manager. And what is your role? Let's say project management, and then submit. And as you can see, these are the three plans that they actually give to you. And of course, they have the free trial, which is a 7 days free trial that you can use whatever plan you want. Of course, only one of these two. Now let's read these plans and understand what they give for each and what is the cost of each one of them. So first of all, let's change the annual plan to monthly so we can get the exact number for each month. Now for the creator plan, it is for freelancers and solopreneurs. It will cost you around 50 bucks per month. It is made for freelancers and solopreneurs looking for a simple and intuitive generative AI solution. It includes only one seat, one brand voice, access to SEO mode, and it uses AI everywhere with browser extension. Now for the pro mode, you have 7 days free trial, of course. Again, it is made for expert features and small teams, $70 per month, advanced AI features to create content for multiple brands and collaborate on campaigns. It includes on one seat, it can be add up to 5, 3 brand voice, 10 knowledge assets, 3 instant campaigns, collaboration and user management. Finally, you have the Let's Talk. It is business. This one is gonna be pretty expensive. So for Let's Talk, it is personalized AI features with additional control, security, team training, and tech support. It will have unlimited features, users, team, spaces and document collaboration, performance analytics and insights, custom style guide with X-ray view, enterprise grade security and governance, advanced admin panel with permissions, custom workflows and templates, API access, and dedicated account management team with premium support. So to get this plan, well, basically as you can see, there is no price for it. That's because it's gonna be dedicated for you, customized for you, so you have every single option that you want it available within this plan. So for example, you want 10 seats, they will give you 10 seats. If you want an option to be available, you can get it available. So that's why they ask you for contact, so you can exactly know what are you looking for, so you can give you literally that plan for you, so they can also determine what price they should price that plan for you. Now for the annual, of course guys, it's gonna be $10 less pricey for each plan, so put that in mind. Now how we can use Jasper, basically guys, let me just show you here. So these are the solutions that we said, resources, features, I mean, here the solutions. So we can find here solutions, integrated marketing, blog writing. So you can literally have each page, and each page will explain to you each solution as its own. So before you get started with buying the prices or checking the prices, make sure to check first the solutions and if they include what you are looking for. And this is basically it guys for today's video. This is Jasper AI. I hope you like this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.